Hi, Janna here, the brand director for Bernzomatic. I'm going to talk you through how to start your torch. First things, make sure your workspace is clear and there's nothing flammable. Make sure you're wearing the right protective equipment. For this demonstration, I'm going to wear gloves and goggles. And then you're ready to get started. So the fuel cylinders all come with a protective cap, that's a dust cap. Remove that, and then just screw it onto your torch. It only needs to be hand tight. You don't need to tighten it down too much. That could actually mess the threads up. So it's connected. All of them have the fuel valve. Open that valve. And for this manual light torch, you need to use a striker. And when the fuel's running through the torch, you can hear it hissing. That striker will create a spark. There we go. To create the flame. To extinguish the flame, just turn the valve back off. Make sure that flame is all the way gone before you put it back down on your workbench. For a trigger start torch, starts the same way. Open the fuel valve, you'll hear that hiss of the fuel, and then just pull the trigger to start the flame. To turn this one off, twist the fuel valve back off. And then last, we've got the instant on-off torch. This one has a few different features. Starts with the flame, or the fuel knob. Open that up. Pull the trigger to start the flames. And you let the trigger go, the flame will go out. So there is a flame lock button on the top. And then just press the trigger to make the flame go back away. On this one, you can either hold the cylinder on its own or hold up on the torch, either one. Right, and regardless of which torch you use, make sure you disconnect it after use. Put that dust cap back on the top of the cylinder. If it's a trigger start torch, pull that trigger a couple times to make sure there's no fuel left in the torch, and you are ready for your next project. For more information, visit bernzomatic.com.